I am going to do the food that we call chili. It's a Mexican food. So, we will see how it is done and whether you will really enjoy preparing these type of preparation. What we need first is mince meat, raw mince meat. It can be chicken, mutton, any kind of meat, but you have to mince it at home. First thing that I am going to do is, I am going to do with the meat only. So, how we are going to do with the meat, I have to show you. We add the salt into the raw minced meat first. Then we add a little turmeric. These two are very important at the beginning. So, mix it nicely, salt and turmeric. We mix it well, and then if you like, you can use a little pepper also. So, all that is mixed, and if you can keep at least for about 10 minutes, better. And then we go to the pan. This meat is first used into the pan. On it, it's raw meat. So, what we need is for it to get cooked in its own juice first. Boiled meat won't be that tasty. It's nice to have the raw minced meat. You can see whether there is water in it. If there is no water, anyway we need a little water to cook this meat. So, I am going to use a little water into the meat. Not a lot, just a little. Very quickly this will get cooked. It's called chili and it's very nice, very interesting to have a preparation like this. Only 2 dessert spoons of water I put, and then let this get cooked. Do not allow it to get burnt. It should get cooked. Lovely. Once it gets cooked and the water dries up, we will add a little oil. Waiting to add a little oil because let all this water dry up. And you can see the meat has got cooked nicely. You don't want a little bit of water even. If there is a little water, it will start splashing all over. So, we will wait till the water dries up. Then we add the oil. Any oil you like you can use, just a little bit of oil. Stir fry. The meat has to get stir fried. Can be chicken, it can be mutton. If you want any seafood instead of meat kind, we can use even prawns. But this is really done with meat, minced meat. Only salt, pepper, turmeric I have used. I hope you can see what I have used here. Now, once the meat gets cooked well, stir fry. Now we will off this and take off. I'll put it into a bowl and keep it ready. We will be using it later, so we will see how it's going to be done. Meat is ready. Now what I am going to do is onions, garlic, curry leaves and red green pepper, all that I am going to use it. I put a little oil first, then I will on this. After that, onions, finely chopped onions I am using, finely chopped onions. Then garlic, that is also chopped garlic. First we put these two, then we can have a little curry leaves, whatever we like for the flavor. We can have green pepper I am using. You can use red pepper, but I am using the green pepper. All this is getting stir fried. Now I am going to use the capsicum chili, 1 capsicum chili. All all this together, we stir fry. While we are stir frying, again I need a little bit of seasoning. The seasoning that I am going to use for this: salt, turmeric, pepper, and a little chili pieces. Once this gets nicely stir fried, I am using the beans, red beans or black beans, whatever you like, we can use. Both even I can use if I want. Without the water I have used. Nicely stir fry. Now we need tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste is added. The meat that we have already done stir fried, I will use it now at this stage. After that, we have a little tomatoes. We will use the tomatoes. I don't need a lot of onions, lot of garlic. So, 1 tomato I have used. Tomato paste we have used. Either tomato sauce or paste you can use. Nicely mix it. The next thing that I have to use is stock, chicken stock or meat stock. Allow to simmer now. Whilst it's simmering, I might need a little chili flakes, a little more. We call it chili. Paprika powder, a little we can use. Now this is ready. This is the chili that we call it. Something different to the normal preparation. Food is very important. So taste is very, very, very important. So we can see how it comes. Now this is ready. I will put into a bowl. It's not into a plate. We have to have it in a bowl. So I will put this into a bowl. It's really nice. The chili which I have given you, we are going to have it with the bread. We made the chili. Now we need a bun to go with it. So we will see how the bun is being done, because we have to have the bun ready, cut into 2, then a little mustard cream, butter, salt, all that you have to put, and then slightly roast it. We'll do that. You cut this into 2. Cut this like this into 2 like, okay. I didn't separate it. If you want, you can separate. Take a bowl, put a little butter, just a wee bit of butter. We don't need a lot. Mustard cream, say that's also about half a teaspoon. Mustard, salt and butter. Mix it nicely. Keep the butter in the fridge, so that has to melt. Right. Now that is done. Just apply on one side, or you can just apply a little on both sides, no problem, and warm it slightly. Close that. We can see the bun. Now this food is ready. I have got the chili, the bun is ready. You can have this type of preparation for a meal, especially for a dinner.